The BIOS Professional DT136 Fryer Oil Tester is your essential tool for maintaining top-quality cooking oil. With this easy-to-use, waterproof device, you could quickly determine the quality of your oil and if it needs to be replaced through an on-site assessment. There are 3 main benefits to maintaining quality oil. Firstly, the money saved by extending the usage of your good oil, thus avoiding unnecessary waste. Secondly, ensuring the best taste, texture, and appearance of your food by detecting when the oil quality has declined, preventing potential health concerns. Thirdly, optimizing your frying process by maintaining the ideal oil quality with a perfect blend of used and fresh oil. In the food service industry, the quality of your cooking oil is very important. The BIOS Professional Fryer Oil Tester allows you to measure the TPM value, ensuring better flavor and high-quality standards. This tester helps you detect when your oil quality has declined, safeguarding the taste, texture, and appearance of your food while preventing health risks. The BIOS Professional Oil Tester is an indispensable tool for any food service operation. TPM, or total pull material, measures your oil's quality. It checks how much your frying oil has deteriorated by measuring the compounds that form as the oil breaks down. The BIOS Professional Oil Tester has 3 TPM levels to ensure the perfect oil quality. Your potential ROI for this device is savings of 15 to 25% per year. Scan here to calculate your ROI with the BIOS Professional Savings Calculator. Better together with BIOS Professional.